Hi, it's me, Balasandra Chandru, a customer success and training specialist from OpenLearning Global. In this video, I'm going to show you two things. Number one, the setup wizard, and number two, general. Okay, let's go back to my screen here. So as you can see in my screen, I'm going to use this course or a Chandru demo course for these explanations. Okay, to access the setup wizard, you only need to go to course setup and click setup wizard. So here we have three steps. Step one, create your course. Step two, promote your course. And step three, listing on OpenLearning. Okay, let's check step one first. So as you see in step one, we have this course setup checklist, which is serve as a guide on and also showing you steps of building a great course. So let's say you are currently editing your course. You only need to go through this checklist and click done once you completed an item. When you completed the entire full checklist, when you click everything's done, then that means your course is ready. You just need to go in the end of this checklist to make your course goes online. All right, so that's pretty much for step one. Okay, let's check the step two, promote your course. So here we have a checklist that help you and give you some tips and tricks, the ways to promote your course. So how you just need to go through the checklist and get some ideas and also some tips in order where you can promote your course, gain new enrollments, such etc. like that. All right, that's pretty much for step two. Step three is listing on OpenLearning. Okay, let's say you already done editing your course, pretty much everything's ready, and you feel like you want to feature your course in our OpenLearning marketplace, which is this one. Okay, so as you can see, this is our OpenLearning marketplace. You can see all our partners feature their courses here. And if you want to do the same thing, you only need to come to the step three and click this button, request to be listed. And the system will send us the email say, hey, this course want to be listed. And what we will do here is we will go through your course based on our course quality criteria and review process. And then if it's all is good and your course fulfill all our course quality criteria, we will feature your course in OpenLearning Marketplace. All right. So here I want you to do, this is, I want you to pause this video and go to course setup vision and check all the step one, step two, and step three, and familiar with all this setting. Okay, the floor is yours. So how that went? I hope you already check all the settings in step one, step two, and step three, and get familiar with all the checklists. All right, now let's continue with our demo here. So for the next, I'm going to show you course setup general. Okay, as you can see here we have three main settings. One is course status, second is course URL, and third is course name. Okay, the course status is the way you can turn your course online and offline. After you created your course, by default, your course is offline. And when you after you've done everything, you put all the contents and activity, you just need to come here and turn your course online by moving your toggle to the right, like this, the one I'm showing here. The second is course URL. Yes, pretty much here you can see the course URL. Okay, the same URL that you will set it up when you created your course. So pretty much you cannot change the course URL after you created your course. So here you can, only thing you can do is copy your course URL and share with your learners or anyone who is interested to join your course. The third setting is the course name. Here you can pretty much change your course name anytime you want. All right, just need to type the course name and pretty much after that it's auto save. All right. So it's activity time. So I want you to pause this video and go through your course status, course URL, and course name. You can change the course name if you want to. Try to turn your course online and offline, see how that goes. The floor is yours. All right, how that went. So if let's say you have some issue or you have some questions to ask, you can always come back to our Open Learning Help community page, go through our help articles, or you can send us an email, or you can call us, or you also can chat with us if you have any further assistance. Okay, till next time, bye.